Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talking about the physiology of nose and olfactory pathway. So, function of nose. First is respiration. During quiet respiration, the inspired air enter through middle part of nose between the turbinates and the nasal septum, which feels the sudden resistance at nasal valve, which decrease the velocity of air, so give enough time to come in contact with the mucous surface of the nasal cavity, which regulate the temperature of inspired air and humidifies it. During expiration, the air expired during the narrowing of nasal valve at the level of inferior turbinate cause the friction offered by the Lyman nasi convert it into the eddies or the reverse current, which ventilates the sinuses. Now the nasal cycle, which is every 2.5 to 4 hours, the nasal mucosa undergoes the rhythmic cyclical congestion and decongestion, which control the airflow through the nasal chambers. Second is air conditioning of the inspired air, filtration and purification, temperature control of inspired air, humidification. Third is protection of the lower airway, the mucociliary mechanism. The nasal mucosa secrete secretions which form the mucus blanket. This is mucus layer, this is serous layer, which is aqueous in nature. This is conveyor belt mechanism. The cilia during the rest vibrates in aqueous layer from anterior to posterior. The upper end is in the mucus layer. Now, the enzymes and the immunoglobulins, sneezing, which is a protective reflex, the foreign body expels from the respiratory tract, respiration hold, close the larynx, sneeze out. Fourth is the vocal resonance, the vowels created by the larynx, the consonant created by mouth nose muscles. The nose is the resonating chamber. Fifth is the nasal reflexes, the nasopulmonary reflex and the nasobranchial reflex. Sixth is the voice modulation. Seventh is olfaction. This is nasal cavity. This is the cribriform plate, hard palate, soft palate, uvula. This is mucus layer. The odor enters into the nasal cavity, reach to the mucus layer. These are the olfactory neuron which are stimulated. The cilia for the small surface area are present in this. This is olfactory cell body. They give off axons which converge to form the olfactory bulb. All the cilia express the specific type of the olfactory receptor, but that can respond to the multiple odors. Let's talk about how the cilia are stimulated. The GPCR receptor is stimulate the G olfactory protein get rid of GTP and bind to the GTP, which stimulate the adenyl cyclase, which convert the ATP into cyclic AMP, which stimulate the channel cause the sodium and calcium influx, and fluorine efflux, which stimulate the action potential, which goes off the axon reach to the brain olfactory lobe through the olfactory tract. The anosmia is loss of smell. The hyposmia is the partial loss of the sense of smell. The parosmia is the perversion of smell. Thank you.